Hey beauties, my name is Bella and today we have a huge task ahead of us. Everybody here has been sick for a few days now and the germaphobe in me is not okay with that. See, I've been sick since Monday. She's been sick since like Sunday, and today it's Wednesday, so it's been going on for a long time and it's been really sucky around here. So I'm gonna clean this place top to bottom, bottom to top, all the high touch surfaces, anything she might have touched. We'll be deep cleaning today, so make sure that you're subscribed with your notifications turned on while you're watching today, and let's do this. And even if your entire household isn't sick like mine is, it's still super important for your mental health to have a clean space to live in. So come on, get up, let's clean together. I'm gonna start off this deep clean in the nursery because honestly, that's the room that I'm most concerned about right now. I'm just stripping off her sheets from her bed and getting her new ones put on and getting her old ones in the wash. And I wouldn't normally wash only one thing at a time, like sheets like this, but I noticed there was a little bit of spit up on them and it was necessary. I'm using a baby-safe disinfectant wipe to wipe off her mattress right now to get those icky germs off because this poor thing had the runniest nose I've ever seen in her bed, and I just want to kill any of those germs so she doesn't get sick again. And here is the new sheets going on the bed. When we were teenage girls and okay, try to ignore Coco Melon. It's the only way I can get her to calm down right now since she's not feeling good. But I am gonna give you a quick Christmas, like little preview for her room. So these are snowflakes that are going on her wall, and then I have some snowflake lights. And look at these adorable little crib sheets I got her. If you can't already tell, we're doing Christmas big this year. When we were teenage girls in our tomboy t-shirts, when life was good in the worn out sneakers, when we were fine about the complications, those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts, tomboy t-shirts. Right now, I'm just moving around the rooms, either spraying off or wiping down any high-touch surfaces, and Lord knows these stuffies she sleeps and plays with are super germy, so I'm going to spray them down with my Tide disinfectant. And I'm going to be using this Tide disinfectant all day, if you're wondering what it is. I honestly have no clue what I did before I found this stuff. You can get it from literally anywhere that has cleaning products. I got mine from Target, and besides my dish soap, it's the most used product in my house, for sure. So if you've seen it out while shopping and you were on the fence about it, here's your sign, pick some up.
Try to call me tomorrow.
Now I'm gonna do the same thing with her plastic toys, but with the wipe, because she's been playing with these things since she's been sick. Can you believe the Christmas is just right around the corner? And I know what you guys are thinking. Bella, we just saw you decorate for Halloween. Slow down. And you know what? You guys are totally right. But seeing all these toys right now is getting me thinking, what are you getting your littles for Christmas? Kennedy is 14 months old now, and we're still not exactly sure what we're going to be getting her. Not that she needs any more toys. If you missed my toy declutter, I'll link that in the description below. But let me know, what are you getting your kiddos for Christmas? This little pink picnic basket is by far her favorite toy, and it's funny because it's one of those shape box things, and there's a whole bunch of little picnic foods and toys inside, and she gets so mad when she can't get the top of the basket open, and she's not quite at putting the shapes inside the holes yet, but she is getting there. It's so crazy. She's so smart, and she's just growing up, and my little girl is just amazing. I know I'm biased because I'm her mommy, but I think that she is going places. All of the Windex I'm going to be using today has vinegar in it, which is a natural cleaner for high-touch surfaces like her nursery mirror. See right there, she's already standing up against it. But when I'm going into a bigger cleaning job, like after somebody's been sick, these are the types of things I'm thinking about. When I made my Target drive-up order, I made sure that I got the Windex with vinegar. It just adds an extra layer of cleanliness. I think I forgot to mention it, but I did get a few Bath & Body Works soaps and stuff for Halloween, and I really want to do a Bath & Body Works haul for Christmas. Let me know if that's something you'd be interested in seeing. Right now, I'm wiping down all of her bath time stuff, and I feel like sometimes this stuff gets either neglected or forgotten about because we think of it as like stuff that cleans us. But remember, it's super, super important to wipe this stuff down too. In the comments, let me know what you guys use to clean your toilet, because I use that squirter bottle you're seeing there, and I don't know if I'm still liking this. I've used this for a while and it's worked fine, but I'm wondering if there isn't something better, so let me know, help me out. Kind of a gross question, but where you guys live, do you also have hard water? Because we do here, and I'm at a loss at how to keep it at bay. Let me know what you guys do in the comments.
I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, no, we run the show. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Got to live or we get too old. Come on, show.
Now I'm gonna strip me and Matt's bed because it's super important to do when you're sick. Make sure they're washed and super clean. I did end up getting new sheets for our bed. As you can see, if you're new here, I mentioned a couple videos ago that I wanted to get some new sheets, and I did. These are flannel and I absolutely love them. They are super warm and super comfy, and they're from the At Home store. I remember always having a pair of flannel sheets when I was growing up, and they just bring back all the warm and cozy vibes this time of year. And I'm also going to spray all the bed and the bedding down with my Tide disinfectant.
Let's hit the club, time to make a move, make a move. We got it late, ain't got nothing to prove, nothing to prove.
Do you guys do annual Christmas photos with your kids? I ask because I'm thinking about booking family pictures this year, but I can't even decide what we should wear. I know for sure that I want to match with her because that is just the cutest thing ever. So if you guys took matching pictures with your kiddos who are toddler sized like Kennedy is, let me know down below where you got your outfits because I am at a loss. And for the never-ending chore of washing the bottles. If you don't have a bottle baby, what's your never-ending chore? Everyone has one. I can't be the only one. I have so many fun video ideas coming up here soon. As you saw, Kennedy's closet needs to be decluttered again. Speaking of never-ending chores, that's another one. And I really want to make a slow homemaking video for you guys as well. I feel like this time of year is a perfect reminder to just slow down and soak in all the fall and winter and just enjoy it. I don't know, maybe I'm too sentimental and I'll accept that. But if you guys have any video ideas, I'm always open to suggestions.
We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
We're so lucky to have such a great community here like we do. I seriously have the best subscribers ever. I know every YouTuber says that, but I honestly mean it. I've noticed so many new people finding this channel lately, and it's just so awesome to see you guys chatting with each other in the comments. I really do read everything, and I'm always so grateful for every single like and comment. It all supports this channel's growth. Truly, thank you so much. I know this video is a long one. We had a lot to do and a lot to clean with poor little Kennedy being so sick. If you've made it this far, leave me a puppy emoji in the comments so I know that you did and I can personally thank you for it. You are actually the best.
Every night with you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
Now I'm gonna clean her high chair because at breakfast time she did throw up in her high chair, and even though I cleaned it up immediately after, my germophobic self still doesn't feel like that's enough. So I wanted to get into every single little nook and cranny of that high chair and really just deep clean and clean it out.
We young, 'cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight, didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow.
And you might be wondering why I'm wiping down the seats of the chairs and the legs and stuff, and that's because she's using the chairs to walk around the house. She's just getting so big. I know I said that earlier, but she's getting so close to walking because she's using those chairs as like walkers, and it's the cutest thing ever. I'll try to get a little clip of her doing it and put it in at the end of the video.
I never left a stone unturned, trying to find some.
Now that Kennedy's crib sheets are done washing, I'm gonna put me and Matt's sheets in the washer to get those clean. And as we're getting to the end of the video, I want to know in the comments, let everybody know what helps your kiddos feel better, because one mom alone is really smart, but together we are unstoppable. So let's all be a community, let's all support each other and give everybody ideas for what helps your kids feel better during this cold and flu season.
We'll find a way. Slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride. 'Cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it.
Now the last thing I'm gonna do is walk around the house and wipe off all the door handles, and I really hope that you got some motivation from today's video. If you enjoyed it, please remember to hit the thumbs up button. It lets me know that you like these types of cleaning videos, and it really helps my channel grow. And also, please make sure you subscribe and hit the notifications button so you can be a part of this incredible supportive community. As always, please remember, no matter what, you are an amazing mom. Homemakers are so important for creating healthy and happy homes. And if nobody has thanked you lately for everything that you do, I want to thank you right now from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day, beauties.